everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this week's video, I will tell you about 7 hidden but very useful Zoho CRM features that you may not know about. Before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week. And now let's get on into the video. So Zoho CRM has tons of different useful features. Now, obviously, to learn about all of them, you have to use it for a very long time. Plus, Zoho CRM always releases new features. Almost every single month, there's 2 or 3 more new features that are added within this software. So obviously, there are some features that our clients often miss, but they are very useful and very simple to use and can change your sales process and make your Zoho CRM much more efficient. So I want to tell you about some of these features today. And the first feature that I want to show in Zoho CRM is Conditional Layouts. Let's see where you can set it up in Zoho CRM and how can you use them. So Conditional Layouts allow you to customize what fields or sections are visible based on the stage or condition of a deal or lead. You can set up specific layouts to appear based on criteria such as deal stage, lead source, or custom conditions. For example, if you're dealing with a high-value deal, you can display additional fields like budget or decision maker, while smaller deals may only show basic contact info. This helps reduce clutter in the CRM, ensures your team only sees relevant information, and improves data quality. The second feature is Subforms. You can't imagine how many of our clients don't know that this feature existed, even though it's a very common one and that can help you to change your sales process a lot. Subforms let you add a table-like structure inside a record, making it easy to capture multiple related data points under a single field. For example, in sales order, you can add a subform for line items to capture product details like name, quantity, and price without having to create separate records for each item. So subforms make it easier to store and access relevant data in one single record, and they allow for a more organized and efficient process. For example, when you're tracking product or services in deal, Subform help manage everything without additional hassle. It is a very useful function. The next feature is advanced filters. A lot of the users of Zoho CRM obviously use the search option or filter option, but they don't always know about advanced filters, and I want to show you how to set them up. So Zoho CRM's advanced filters allow you to create more complex views and segment your data beyond just simple filters. For example, you can combine multiple conditions like lead source equals web, lead status equals qualified, and deal amount more than $5,000 to pull a specific subset of your data. Why it matters? Because advanced filters give you a full control over what data you see, helping you focus on the most important records at any given time. Moving on to the next feature, which is custom functions. Again, it's a very important feature to use in your Zoho CRM, and I will show you how does it look like. So custom functions allow you to write custom logic for your workflows using Deluge, a Zoho scripting language. And for example, you can create a custom function to automatically calculate discounts based on the total deal amount, or trigger an alert when a lead is stuck in a particular stage for too long. And custom functions provide unmatched flexibility, allowing you to automate highly specific processes that suit your unique business needs. For example, in one of our implementations recently, we created a custom function to auto-update inventory levels when a sale is completed, directly syncing Zoho CRM with Zoho Inventory. So this function gives you a lot of flexibility to automate different processes with code within Zoho CRM. The next feature that is again very easy to set up, but a very important one because it helps you to keep track of everything that happens within CRM system and how your leads behave, are sales signals. So let's see how to set them up. So Salessignals is a real-time notification system that alerts you whenever a lead interacts with your email, website, or social media. So you can configure Salessignals to notify your team whenever a lead opens an email, clicks on a link, or visits your website. These alerts enable you to act instantly when a prospect shows interest. And why it matters is obviously because timely follow-ups are crucial in sales, and Salessignals help you to stay on top of those moments, allowing you to engage prospects at the right time. For instance, when a prospect opens up an email or clicks a link, the sales rep can immediately follow up with a personalized message, increasing the likelihood of closing the deal. And the last feature, it's quite commonly used, but not all of the people know how to set it up and how to use it to its full potential. It is blueprints in process management. If you want to see the full video of how to set up a sales funnel with blueprints, make sure to check out our video that we made on our channel. In the corner, there will be a link and down below in the description box, so you can see how to set up a sales funnel with blueprints. And now let's see how blueprints in process management look like. So blueprints are a step-by-step guide to manage processes within Zoho CRM, ensuring consistency and adherence to best practices. And blueprints guide your team through a predefined set of actions for each state of the workflow, such as creating a deal or managing a customer support case. For example, a sales rep may need to complete several actions, like sending out follow-up emails or logging a meeting, before progressing a deal from one stage to another. And it matters because this guarantees that every step is followed, reducing human errors and ensuring consistency across teams. Blueprints are ideal for sales teams looking to standardize their process, or customer support teams ensuring that each interaction is handled consistently. So as you can see, all of these features are very easy to set up in Zoho CRM, but a lot of people don't know about them and don't use them, so they're missing out on some of the very easy features and small features that can change their life drastically when using Zoho CRM. So if you found any of these features useful and you didn't know about them, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button, because we release a lot of useful Zoho content every single week. Also, if you have any other features that you would like to share with Zoho community that you're using, but you know a lot of people don't know about them, make sure to leave them in the comments down below so we can all learn from each other. And if you have any questions, you can also leave them in the comments down below. If you have specific questions about Zoho CRM, its features, implementation process, customization, or the integration of Zoho CRM with other third-party developer apps, please make sure to book a consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box. We can guide you through all of these processes with a team of our professionals that have been using with Zoho ecosystem for almost a decade. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next week's video.